Okay, sagutin natin ito. A solid is formed by revolving about the y-axis. So, AOR niya, y-axis. The area bounded by the curve x cubed is equal to y-axis, and the line x is equal to 8. So, it's centered. Okay? Y-axis yan. Kapag ganyan yung centered, automatic yung, according sa theorem, x bar niya is magiging 0 kasi y-axis. Ang y-axis is 0, 0 din. So, therefore, 0 yung x bar niya. Okay? Graph muna natin. Okay. Tapos, magiging range niya is from 0 to 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tapos, pag ito graph niyan, mataas kasi cube. Okay, tapos ito yung axis of revolution natin. So, ito yung hanapin natin. So, pwede siyang gamitan ng dy. Dy. Or, sa mas madaling paraan, ibahin din natin yung graph. Pwede natin pag ganito. Tapos dito yung isa. Okay, kasi may y-axis naman. Kasi may y-axis, therefore, ito. So, pwede natin siyang gamitan ng disk method. Sorry sa graph na isa. Ang formula ng y bar is equal to from AB, integral lang from A to B, tapos y dv. So, y bar is equal to y dv from A to B all over V. Okay? This method gagamitin natin, therefore, tsaka dy strip. So, therefore, ang magiging formula is x rightmost minus leftmost squared dy. Ganun din yung dv, ganun din yung v. Okay, that's integration tayo. Okay. From there, substitute lang natin yung value ng y bar from 0 to 8. Y, yung dv natin is pi times, bracket dapat yan, pi times yung rightmost. Drawing muna natin ulit yung graph para hindi na natin pabalik-balik. Yan. Yan, pag ganyan yung strip natin. Rightmost natin is yung ito. It is yung x cube is equal to 8y. So, gagawin muna natin siya. X cube is equal to y. Therefore, x is equal to cube root ng y. Okay? Nagkamali ako na input doon. So, rightmost natin is cube root ng y. Minus, yung leftmost natin is ito, origin, so 0 squared dy. Okay, ayusin natin. Y pi times cube root ng y square root, cube root ng y minus 0 squared dy all over, yung volume niya is from 0 to 8 pi times cube root ng y minus 0 squared dy. Okay? Okay, para makuha natin y bar, integral ng x, yung x na maging y, okay lang yan, pi times cube root ng y minus 0, automatic, hindi na natin sulit yung 0 kasi 0 nga siya. Cube, squared pala, squared. Mali, squared from 0 to 8. Ganun din sa baba. Integral ng pi multiplied by cube root ng y. Hindi natin kailangan nilaging 0 kasi 0 nga lang siya. From 0 to 8. Ang y bar natin is 5. So therefore, ang sagot ay x bar natin 0, 0, 5 ang coordinate.